We are again. My name is Andreas Gauer. The company is Gerriets GmbH from Germany. And I show here the product is our MEGASCREEN S. The MEGASCREEN S is a bottom roller screen. And the big advantage of the bottom roller is that the stretch the material in the middle, because the deflection of the roller tube is in the middle and the material is tending to the sides and not to the middle. So this allows us to use it for PVC screens and fabrics to roll up and down, so screens or acoustic fabrics or whatever you think. It's a quite high-speed roller system, as you can see, and if it comes up again, we see on the back side that we can realize this system up to a width of 28 meters. So this is without any reinforcement behind or whatever. Yeah? And I'm just waiting that it goes up again, so you can see the picture behind, make a short shot of it. Okay, now it goes again. And you see that it's a quite high dimension, so it's a height of 12-30 meters and a width of 28 meters. This is our MEGASCREEN system, and we can find more information from this MEGASCREEN system under www.gerriets.com.